Good morning, folks. This is an unexpected event. I attempted to start up my Jeep this morning. It did not start. And I am at an undisclosed location. I'll leave it at that. And so I got out, pulled out my jumper cables, and it's like 5:30 in the morning on a Saturday. So I'm waiting, standing outside my vehicle, waiting for somebody to come by to assist me. And my question is this: are we obligated to help a stranger? Still waiting for a vehicle to come by. One came by. I stood out in the parking lot. There's no movement. There's nobody out here. Keep that in mind. I stood out there with my yellow neon vest on, waving my hand in the air, but the vehicle did not stop. Went right by me, and it is presently parked right behind me. I stood a good distance behind the vehicle for a minute, waiting for the driver to get out, but he did not. So again, my question is this: are we obligated to help one another? I guess I'll leave it at that. It strikes me as odd. Is this the world we live in? Personally, I'm the type of person, I will go out of my way to help someone who's stranded or stuck on the side of the road or whatever. All right, so that's it. I guess that's my question of the day. Thank you. Bye.